The SmallRig NP-W235 USB-C battery is an excellent replacement option for Fujifilm's NP-W235, offering compatibility with a wide range of Fujifilm cameras such as the X-T5, X-T4, and GFX100S. Its rapid charging capability allows users to fully charge the battery in 2.5 hours using the USB-C port, making it highly convenient for photographers on the go. With a reliable capacity of 2,400 mAh, this battery ensures extended shooting sessions, providing power for up to 1.5 hours of continuous use or 336 shots. The battery's construction includes top-tier lithium-ion cells and a 6-layer protection system, ensuring safety against overcharge, overvoltage, and overcurrent, even in demanding environments. Designed to operate smoothly between 0 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius, it is a trusted choice for outdoor film production in various weather conditions. The battery's distinctive blue color coding makes it easy to identify among other gear, which is particularly useful for wedding photographers who need quick access to their equipment.